सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computers Tech Channel. So friends, it's a very good news for OnePlus users. The brand new Android Oreo 8.1 update was released, but it was custom ROM defined by AOSP extended. It's purely stock Android ROM which you have beautiful experience, the notifications and settings and customization. So let's get started friends. How to install Oreo 8.1 on OnePlus? Let's go. It's very necessary to unlock your bootloader and install DWRP in your OnePlus. After successfully install DWRP in your OnePlus, just boot into recovery mode by pressing volume up and down and power button. When it's booted into DWRP mode, just select wipe data. When the screen appears like this, and just select advanced wipe. Select Dalvin cache, system data cache, and simply swipe right down to format your partitions. When your data completely wiped, then we go to back to home screen. Press back. At the home, we select install. We can show the path whether it could internal memory or micro SD card. Select ROM. When it's ready to install, then simply swipe right to install. It usually takes some time to complete installation process. After successfully installed, then we need to wipe cache and Dalvik. Just click on wipe cache Dalvik and swipe right to install. When it was done successfully, then press reboot your system. Friends, this is a home screen of my OnePlus phone. I will show you the properties. These are mainly changes in Android Oreo 8.1. Sorted the related voice apps in making one name. Just like network, internet, connected device, app notification, battery, display, sound, storage, some extra. And this is a about version of OnePlus phone. See friends, Android version 8.1 and security patch level December 5th, 2017. And the kernel also updated Friday, December 22, 2017. So friends, hope you like this video and don't forget to share this video and make subscription which I update technology information every day on your small screen. Bye bye friends.